Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about one such company which is going on an upper circuit, and you're not even aware what exactly behind the scenes the financials are with that particular company. I don't understand how people are investing in such companies. Did you do your research properly? Did you do your analysis on how particularly company is performing, what exactly the company is doing? This is the reason why you're going under losses. Wait, before we go ahead, did you subscribe to my channel? Please do that. All right, so that you can get latest updates uh, timely, and also the research that I'll be doing ahead with regards to the latest stocks that are coming up your way. All right, yeah. So this particular company, it's called as Alka India. All right, so I'll just talk about a bit of financials, and then I will tell you how people are blindly investing just by the YouTube rumors that is going on with the CAGR that's going to come up their way. How can you think of such things? Are you even aware like what exactly the company has been doing over the past 5 years? Just look at here, the total income growth, it's minus 100%, and total expenses growth as well. Just look here, everything is negative in this analysis. There's no profit that's listed here. It's that too, it's on minus 0.03. And let's see the ratios. Just look here, ROE is at minus 1.7, price to earnings minus 106.38. What does this mean, guys? Did you at least think of it once? This is the latest trend, which is for the financial year FY 2021. I also went to their website. I think this is the website. All right, so just look here how people are trading crazily. Just look at the volumes. All right, so I'll just show you this volume on this particular stock, how everybody is doing it. Look here, almost 17 lakh shares being traded yesterday, right? And just look at the graph here. All right, so I'll just tell you the graph for, let's take it since 5 years. 5 years high was 82%, 0.80 paisa. And I was just trying to look at in the past, the highest that it reached was around close to 3 rupees 60 paisa. Just look here, this was 2 rupees. That was back in the days, like maybe 2 decades ago. See, just, yeah, this is what I was talking about. 3.52, that was the highest point it went. And yet people are investing crazily on this particular stock. Guys, come on, wake up. This is not some kind of a joke that you guys are playing with your money. I understand that you want to earn money and you want to become rich in a single day, but that's not possible, guys. Mature up. Just investing 1,000 rupees. Everybody says on YouTube you are getting the videos like invest 1,000 rupees and leave it. In how many stocks are you investing 1,000 rupees like this with the weak financials? Does that even make sense? I'm sure at least you must be having couple of maybe 10 or 20 portfolios, like whoever is earning decent enough. But guys, when the company crashes out, do you even feel this company has a potential to perform just with the market cap of 42 with the negative performance year on year? Is there any possibility that this company might come up with a better performance down the line in the near future? Can you expect it to be a multi-bagger with such a weak financials? I don't think so, guys. It's time that you guys wake up and do your research, not just by the YouTube rumors videos that you get on there, like 1,000 रुपए लगा दो, 1 करोड़ बन जाएगा 5 साल के बाद. भाई साहब ऐसा नहीं होता है. That's not the thing, right? So yeah, so that's it for today, and I will come up with more such videos to just to show you that how exactly the stock market, the dark side of the stock market is going on, right? And I will also try to get you some good fundamental stocks as well, so stay connected with me. Please hit a subscribe button, don't forget that. So see you soon again with new video. Thank you for watching, guys.